Okay, so what is Google Cloud Functions, right? So Google Cloud Functions, it's a serverless compute service, which is actually offered by GCP, or we can say Google Cloud Platform. What it allows us to do is to write and deploy functions that responds to various events without the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. We just need to go for the HTTP request, and can easily write and deploy the functions, right? These functions actually can be triggered by various events, as I told you before. Like, we can use HTTP requests, or we can make changes in cloud storage, or pub some messages and more for the in the Google Cloud functions, right? Now, what are the applications of cloud functions in Python, right? So first point comes here. Here is microservices, right? So in microservices, cloud functions are suitable for building microservices that can be independently deployed and scaled based on demand, whatever the demand is, right? It can be used for data processing. We can actually use cloud functions to process and analyze data, trigger the events such as changes in cloud storage or pub-sub messages. The third one is webhooks. We can actually use cloud functions to handle webhook requests, or for example, to process data from third-party services, right? We can actually use it for the automation purpose, where it can be used to automate task response to even in your GCP environment. And for if we come for the last point, which is integration, then it can be integrated with other GCP services to build serverless workflows and applications. If we talk about the benefits, then it's a serverless architecture, which means that it follows a serverless model, abstracting away the underlying infrastructure. Developers actually do not need to manage servers or worry about scaling while using cloud functions. It's a event-driven function. It actually can be scaled automatically. If we talk about the pricing, then it is a pay as you go pricing. With serverless computing, you only pay for the actual compute resources consumed during the execution of your functions. And it actually supports multiple languages, and it can be integrated with different cloud services. It is scalable, and it can be used for global reach also. I hope you would have understand what we have learned in this video about Google Cloud Functions. This video is just overview or the introductory part of what is Google Cloud Platform, like what is Cloud Functions, and how we can how benefit what benefits we can get using Cloud Functions, and how we can actually use it, right?